Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says he's expecting Jamaica to earn a record $3 billion from tourists this year. The record earnings come from record arrivals, which are already over 4 million.
We said we would grow the industry by an average of 5% over 5 years. We are growing now at nearly 9%. The last figure was 8.9%. And we said we were going to grow the revenue, right? And we are growing the revenue by 10.8. It's about 11% now.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.73. The Canadian dollar is selling for $97.81. The sterling cost $166.83, while the euro is going for $146.98. Proven Investments has named Johan Heaven as its interim president and CEO. The appointment took effect on Monday. Mr. Heaven, who is a founding member of Proven and the chief investment officer of the entity, replaces Chauvel Johnson. Ms. Johnson resigned recently from Proven Investments to take up the role as president and CEO of Sagicor Bank. The JSE index closed up 920 points today, while the junior market gained 53. The winners of the day included Access Financial, Blue Power, Caribbean Cream, Express Catering, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, Key Insurance, NCB Financial Group, Salada Foods and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Consolidated Bakeries, KLE Group, Mayber Investments, Proven Investments and Sweet River Abattoir. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.